If you've been struggling to find discounted properties in today's market, there's a niche you might be overlooking: tax delinquent properties. These are often sold at steep discounts, and today I'll show you exactly how to find them using PropStream. First off, what do we mean by tax delinquent? It's really any property where the owner hasn't paid their property taxes on time. So after about a year or two of missed payments, the local county steps in to recover what's owed. And that usually happens in one of two ways: tax lien sales, where investors buy the debt and earn interest until it's repaid, and sometimes actually even end up with the property, or tax deed sales, where the property itself gets auctioned off to cover the taxes owed. Either way, these situations create motivated owners and undervalued opportunities, if you know how to find them. Now, who should care about tax delinquent properties? Well, let me give you a few examples. An investor who wants instant equity in deals that don't involve MLS competition. A real estate agent who wants to connect with owners that are very likely to sell. A wholesaler who needs a steady stream of distressed properties to move quickly. Or even a contractor or service provider who's looking for neglected homes that need cleanup, repairs, or ongoing maintenance. In other words, there's value here whether you're trying to buy, sell, or provide services. Now here's how simple it is to find tax delinquent properties with PropStream. Step 1, pick your market. Enter a city, county, or zip code, or just draw your target area on the map. Step 2, apply some filters. Set the MLS status to no, so you're only looking at off-market properties. Then select the tax delinquency filter. From there, refine by years of delinquency, equity percentage, or property type. Step 3, build your list and then save those results into a marketing list. Give it a clear name like 2+ years delinquent, for example. Step 4, reach out, because with PropStream, you can skip trace to get phone numbers and emails instantly, or send postcards directly from inside the platform. Now, let me give you a realistic scenario. Say you're driving through a neighborhood and spot a property that looks neglected. Maybe overgrown grass, boarded up windows, peeling paint. You pull up PropStream Mobile, check the records, and see the owner hasn't paid taxes in 2 years. On top of that, they live in another county, so right on the spot you find their number and email through skip tracing, and now you can actually reach out directly, start a conversation, and potentially lock up a deal before it ever hits a public auction. And if you're a contractor, that same research could lead to a maintenance job, a renovation, or a long-term client. Now, if all this sounds good, but you still aren't sure exactly where to begin, I encourage you to read our latest blog post at PropStream.com. It walks you through everything step by step, including how tax lien and tax deed sales work, what kind of due diligence you need to do, and the legal rules you'll want to understand before moving forward. I'd say don't wait for discounted deals to come to you. PropStream makes it easy to find and connect with tax delinquent properties in your market right now. So you can start building your next pipeline of opportunities today.